Hi guys and welcome back to Be Homa. I know it's been a really long time that I've filmed a video. I did pre-film few but I couldn't upload that. I'll tell you the reasons of that. So as by the title knows, I'm gonna turn 23 today. And that's the 2nd of June. I was in 1998 born. I just wanted to document the things that I've been through, the learnings, the experience and things that I have set as goals in my head so that anybody who's seeing this video can take one inspiration as well, and that serves the purpose for me. So without further ado, since it's going to be a long video, I am going to kickstart as I have my journal right here. So I am going to kickstart with the things that I've learned or experienced or faced, and let's see how it goes. Firstly, I'm really sorry about the noises. There's some construction going on, so please excuse me for that. And there are beautiful birds outside chirping. Okay, so first I'm going to start with negatives and then to my positives and then to my achievements. The first thing that I did overcome, or I'm in the process of overcoming, is staying calm. I used to get really angry on few things. I used to react like that, but that's something that I've been practicing a lot to just calm myself down and then work. The next thing that I have is insecurities. That's right, absolutely. I believe 80% of people do have them, but nobody talks about that. And by insecurities, I refer to looking at somebody's achievement and then judging my own. So insecurities is something that I do have, and I'm trying my level best to overcome that by being happy with the things that I currently have. Which brings to my next point, which I did lack, was being grateful for the things that happen in my life. Now, I believe everyone has an aim, so you want to do something, and the moment you reach that thing, it's just like 2 minutes of happiness and just goes away. So we think of a next thing. So that's something that I probably believe that I need to stop. The next thing that I possessed was anxiety, and that was because whenever I used to just stay quiet, there are few things that go on in your mind, as in what will you do in the next 10 years? Will you be successful? So all these thoughts, they basically make a bharta in your head. Like you there are so many thoughts going on in the back, and then you're not able to deliver the things that you have. So the next thing is very silly, but it is about procrastination. You have heard that, right? So I've been like a great procrastinator. That's probably the reason why I'm uploading a video on YouTube like almost after a year. Like I filmed few videos, but I was procrastinating ki nahi aaj nahi, I'll do it tomorrow, and it ended up being a year. Okay, the next thing that I was doing wrong was having expectations with others and things that I do, stating that even they'll do that the same thing for me. So I think that is something that I probably has stopped. I've overcome that because I used to have expectation with a lot of people that they'll be doing that, and the moment they don't do, you feel really bad. Your day is bad. You lose interest in that person. There was my mentor back at my previous organization, and she really taught me one important thing which I followed diligently, which is have expectations from yourself and not from anybody, because nobody is going to be you. Everybody has their own personality. So that was in regards to the mental things that I was going through, and I am trying to overcome. And expectation is something which I've overcome. A procrastination is on the way. Now coming to the best part, are achievements that I have got, and I take a lot of pride, and I'm really proud of myself for doing that. And this couldn't be possible because of without my mom, my family, and my beautiful friends that I have. The first big achievement is buying my own car at the age of 22. It was a dream, and it's basically a dream come true. I always dreamt of having a car. I used to see these ladies and used to be like, will I be able to drive? Because I was always a cab person. So that is something which is a great achievement. I've dreamt of it and I've accomplished that, for which I'm really happy about. The next thing that I had was I've gained like 500 subscribers on Homa, our channel right here where you're going to see me. I'm really grateful for that, because imagine a room of 500 people, how huge is that? So that is something that I take immense pride of. The third thing that I count in as my achievement is I've got a new job, and it's a big MNC, and now it's an Apple. I am an Appler, and now I work for Apple India for a specialized program right there. I'm really happy. It takes me immense pride to be a part of the Apple family. The next thing is probably something that I've been dreamt of from the past 2 years to have it live, is having my own small freelancing digital marketing agency, and it's by the name of Unite Digital, wherein we do social media marketing, we do Google Ads, Facebook, Pinterest, content creation, managing your portfolio, all of that under one roof. We are a team which has high experience in all of these parameters, and I was a part of working for Google Ads as well, so it gives me immense pride of having my own small freelancing company. And if you guys are interested, or if you know somebody that needs it, don't forget to ping me. I'm going to leave my email down below and the website link as well, so that you can check that out. And the next thing that I have done as an achievement, I would say, is learn how to cook, made amazing dishes. I am actually salivating right now. Thing that I've learned, and I think everybody should, because these small things make you happy, and these are like an achievement. And last but not the least, one of the achievements that I also have accomplished was, under my name, I shared my education and all the experience that I have, and provided trainings, or did a course, or made people, or a few students do a digital marketing course on Google Ads. That was in the month of October, and I take immense pride in doing that, because I was able to share all the information that I had and help them with their certification for Google Ads, which is a great thing. So these were the achievements which I'm really proud about. Now, the thing that I would be doing going forward is, number one, as mentioned, how I'm going to overcome all the flaws that I still have is, one, not getting irritated, using the 1 to 10 second rule. Whenever you think that I'm going to get angry, I'm going to say some bullshit, just count 1 to 10 seconds and you are like good to go. Second thing is taking care of my health, and that I refer to mental health, because everybody has those kind of days, and I really want to work on that. I want to be happy, stay happy. So I'm really trying my level best to stay positive and be happy with the things as mentioned which I want to overcome. So that's something. And obviously physical health, because as you can see, I've grown really chubby, so I really need to take care of my health, not in regards of the appearance, but internal health is so important nowadays. It's really important to be healthy, not from outside but from inside, because that is gonna stay with you for long. If you don't value your body, I don't think you deserve anything, because if you don't value yourself, how can you value something else? And last but not the least are the goals for 24 years of Uma. Let's see how many I can successfully do in the next year on this video, the same video that I'm going to create. The first important thing is starting investments and savings. I know 23 years old is still late, because everybody is so digitally exposed. It's really important for us to start your investments as early as possible, because this is something that would help you in all your goods or bads. So the next thing is being consistent, and hitting the 1K mark on YouTube is something that I want to do in this year. Next is having 30% of clientele base for Unite Digital, which is my digital marketing agency. Currently we do have, since we're a starter, we do have a couple of clients, but again, I am going to try my level best to grow into the benchmark of 30% that I have in this coming year. Two important things for my self-positivity is, one, being positive and not letting bad thoughts bother me, like thinking about the goods that happen whenever I'm in my lows, because I think that's the only way wherein you feel happy and you feel good. And last but not the least is prioritizing people who love you instead of running behind the ones who don't deserve it. See these 5 things or 4 things that I've mentioned, how I'm gonna achieve it in next year's video when I turn 24. And yeah, but it's a wrap. I hope you guys have really enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and be a part of the Humilian Squad, as I always say. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and take care of yourself, be happy, be safe, and people who are still watching this, you really mean the world to me, because a long video still listening to me, it's a great thing. So thank you so much for that, and have a lovely year ahead. Take care. Bye.